Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook sea urchin. Sea urchin, often called uni, is a truly unique and exquisite delicacy enjoyed by many around the globe. Its distinct, rich flavor and incredibly creamy texture make it a highly prized ingredient in various cuisines. We'll go over everything you need to know, from selecting the freshest urchins to preparing them perfectly, ensuring you can confidently enjoy this ocean treasure right in your own kitchen. Get ready to explore the wonderful world of uni. First, let's prepare your sea urchin. You'll need to carefully open the urchin to access the edible parts, which are the bright orange or yellow gonads. A sturdy pair of kitchen shears or a specialized urchin opener works best for this. Once open, gently scoop out the uni using a small spoon, being mindful not to damage the delicate roe. Finally, give the uni a quick, gentle rinse in cold water to remove any lingering impurities, ensuring a clean and pure taste for your culinary creation. Now, let's explore some simple cooking methods for uni. While many prefer to enjoy uni raw, savoring its natural, briny sweetness, it's also incredibly versatile. You can lightly sear it for just a few seconds to bring out a different depth of flavor, or gently fold it into warm pasta dishes for a luxurious, creamy sauce. It also makes a fantastic addition to scrambled eggs or a delicate risotto, adding a touch of gourmet elegance to your meal. The possibilities are truly delicious. To truly savor your sea urchin, serve it immediately after preparation. Its delicate flavor and texture are best enjoyed fresh. Consider pairing it with subtle ingredients that complement its unique taste, such as a touch of soy sauce, a squeeze of lemon, or a sprinkle of chives. Whether you enjoy it simply on its own, atop a piece of sushi, or as part of a more elaborate dish, this exquisite ingredient promises a luxurious and memorable culinary experience. Enjoy every delicious bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.